You wouldn't believe this is my hotel room in Hong Kong. When you first walk in, there's a small little kitchen area on the left. And then when you turn right, there's the living room area. And then there's this amazing view. Once you turn around, off to the left, there's an area for your luggage, and then the room to the right is the bathroom. And once you leave out the bathroom, the room off to the right is the bedroom. And then there's the view. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.